Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Miss Kornowski reporting from the classroom. You thought that you could escape me completely for the day, but that is incorrect, as I wanted to make sure that I gave you some very specific instructions as to what you're going to be doing for the day. So behind me, as I move to the side here, you see the agenda. The agenda is laid out for you and should keep you pretty busy throughout the class period today. The first thing you're going to be working on is you are assigning groups to complete a Dragonfly Pond community as a particular representative of that community. Those groups have been chosen for you, and you will find out what those are momentarily. What you need to do is take this Dragonfly Pond diagram, and you need to draw it here on this larger sheet of paper where you're going to assemble your Dragonfly Pond community. You then need to take all of these pieces here, cut them out, add some color to your diagram, and assemble the community based on who you are within that community. Each one of you will have a community member's role. Once you're done with that, this should take you about 20 minutes. I don't want you to spend too much more time on that because you have a lot to do today. Please pick up your scraps and turn in everything on the front lab station, including this Dragonfly Pond diagram, because I would like to reuse it, and we will revisit this next class period. Second, you can choose if you want to work together in groups or if you want to do this individually. I need you to read the article Brown Water Green Weeds and fill out the worksheet that goes along with it. Both of these I want you to leave behind as well. I want to see what kind of responses you had on your sheet so that we can talk about them in class on Tuesday. I would also like to reuse these articles for the other class as well, so please do not take them with you. If you don't finish, that would be a reason to take it with you, but you have plenty of time to get that done today during class. Third on the agenda, I have opened up the Chapter 14 quiz that you need to complete on Canvas for homework completion. You need an 85% completion on it in order to get homework reassessment eligibility, so please make sure that you take care of that. You may use your textbooks if you would like, and you have up to 3 attempts to complete that. So please take the quiz for Chapter 14. Fourth on the list is many of you still have not completed the water footprint calculator assignment that I have posted on Canvas. A couple reminders with that. You are completing it in a Google Doc, posting your responses in a Google Doc, and you are then sharing the doc with me. I cannot access it unless you share it with me. Then please submit the link to the doc via Canvas. Canvas isn't going to ask you to upload it from your Google Drive. It's going to ask you for the link this time. So please make sure that you get that taken care of. I'll be checking that off this weekend for homework completion. And then finally, if there's any time remaining, I really would like that you would work on your Chapter 14 study guide, finish reading Chapter 14, and move on to Chapter 21. This weekend, it's really important that you read Chapter 21 because we will likely test on Chapter 14 and Chapter 21 at the beginning of the week of November 16th. So that's not the beginning of next week, but the beginning of the following week. You have a ton of stuff that needs to be due today. I've given you the warning about buckling up, that these next few weeks are going to be fast, so please use your time wisely. This is the time you're given to get stuff done. If you don't use it, you're going to lose that valuable time, which will not be available to you in the future. So I appreciate your cooperation. While I can't be here today, I am off learning in another environment, learning how to do my instructional coaching job, and I look forward to returning and seeing you on Tuesday. Have a wonderful long weekend. Please don't hesitate to email me. I will be accessible by email in the next few days. I look forward to seeing you, those of you that are participating in buckthorn removal on Sunday from 1 to 4 at the field station. Make sure you dress appropriately and be prepared to work hard. Thank you all.